Gradle 9 comes with changes around the way we handle nullability in the Gradle APIs. Since Gradle 5, we've been using GSR 305 annotations on the public API to allow early detection of nullability issues, both in the Kotlin DSL and for plugins written in Java or Kotlin. The semantics were limited, we had corner cases, and also the GSR has been dormant for a while. With Gradle 9, we're adopting JSpecify annotations, which gives us better semantics. They have the same scope and benefits, but we have effectively those extra cases that are covered. And also there is a deeper integration with Kotlin, and especially with Kotlin 2 and above. And so we've done a coordinated effort to use them properly everywhere on the whole public API, but this may have consequences on source compatibility of your existing build scripts or plugin code. You could get more warnings in Java and possibly some errors in Kotlin, both for DSL and plugin code alike. Some of the common breaking changes we've seen, we've had patterns of declaration of a provider where the type of the provider itself was marked as nullable, but this is not accepted because in the Gradle property type, T is not nullable itself. What it is that you get an error if you try to access an empty provider, and you should instead check either if the provider is present or do a get or null or things like that. Similarly, a Gradle API that accepted a map string star parameter will not allow you to pass in null values. What happens for plugins out there that still use GSR 305? Well, they will just continue to work fine in Gradle 9 as they did in previous version. However, we would recommend plugin authors to adopt JSpecify so they benefit from the enhanced semantics and the Kotlin integration.